Hey everybody, so today is going to be my first day doing the DIV ozone injection into my own arm. Now I've had about 45 ozone treatments from Dr. Robbins in New York, and I've seen it done, and now today is going to be my first day to actually do it on my own. So let's get started. So I have my own ozone machine here. It's the Stratus 3 from Simply 03, and what we're going to do is fill it with ozone. Now I'm going to go light today, so I'm only going to do a 30 concentration, so a 30 gamma, and I'm only going to inject about 30 cc's today. So anyway, let's turn everything on and start getting the flow. So if I want a 30 concentration, I'm going to go to a setting number 7. So gas is on. Setting number 7. Turn it on. Connect my ozone syringe. I'm going to fill it up the first time. Okay, if you could see that. Now what I'm going to do is just get the first batch out. And that should be enough right there. Okay. So now that I have that done, I'm going to pause the video and we're going to show you how I inject. And this is my first time doing it. Out the butterfly. This is a 27 gauge needle. All right. Okay, so now I got that all connected. Now let's put on the strap. Okay, so let's do that. All right, so now I get the strap on. What I'm going to do is, well, it's pretty hot. I have a hot cloth here just to keep the vein going. You see how it's actually coming to the surface now? So you definitely want to make sure your veins are right. Now, to stop or limit the phlebitis, I was told by a naturopath friend of mine to put a little solution on there of DMSO, and I've diluted it with 50% distilled water. So I'm just going to put that on there. Wow, look at that. Get a nice vein going there. And I'm going to let that sit for a minute. And I'm going to put a little peroxide on there as well, just to clean it up. Okay. Now comes, I'm going to put this on again here. So I got to sterilize it again afterwards. So yeah, this is pretty ballsy. So I guess the biggest thing in doing this for the first time is having the balls to actually do it. And that's what we're going to do here. All right. Put a little peroxide on. Perfect. That's good. All right. Now let's see what we have. Take the butterfly. Open it up. Let's see which way the needle's going. Okay, that's faced up. I'm actually going to bring this right down to 30. All right. And I'm going to stick myself. So let's see if we can do this. All right. All right, looks like I got it in there. All right, I do. I have it in there. See a little bit of blood? Yeah, you probably can't see that, but anyway. Now I'm going to start my timer. And every 20 seconds, I'm going to inject a mil. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to wait for this to get to 20 here. All right, I got one in there, 1 cc I should say. I'll put another one in. So this should take me about a little over 10 minutes. Oh wait, actually I forgot to take this off. Duh. So far so good. The biggest thing is to go slow so you don't catch phlebitis, which is going to be the actual oxidizer. The ozone actually irritating the vein wall. So far so good. All right, so I've got 10 cc's in already. I'll wind up fast forwarding this so you don't have to sit through the whole process here. So I'm about 4 minutes and 20 seconds into this. All right, about 6 minutes and 20 seconds into this. The push is easier than I thought. You know, it's interesting. I don't feel any bubbles going through my neck or my arm like I've done when I've had it done by Dr. Robbins and his staff. But then again, I'm also going a lot slower. Well, guess what? Push is done. Pull that out. Hold a little bit of pressure on it, and that was it. Actually wasn't bad at all. I think I got myself worked up a little bit more than I really needed to. So it's pretty easy. So yeah, so this protocol will be doing this 3 times a day, 4 days on, 3 days off to give the veins a rest. So that's really it. So I got that there. I'll take my little Band-Aid. So it took about 7 minutes. I think I went a little quicker than I originally intended, but I'll just put a little Band-Aid there. I'm gonna go to the store and get the the round Band-Aids. So we'll do that. Anyway, guys, I hope this was an interesting and informative experience, as it was for me, as it is for you. And I will talk to you guys soon.